welcome and thank you, a sincere thank you for watching. We know there's a lot of ways you could be spending your time, and we're so glad that you're joining us.
I apologize in advance for the video. I'm just trying to convey information, not trying to, make a feature-length film here. Click on orders. Well, waiting for all orders, I guess. Please ignore any information you may see. See here, this one. What do I want to do to it? I want to issue refund. Where's it at? Look, there it is. Send refund. This is I'm trying to give a partial shipping refund. Oop, can't see that now, can you? Trying to give a partial shipping refund through managed payments instead of PayPal. So you go to Seller Hub Overview, and you go to your orders, you find the item, and you click on the little thing like I showed you, and you pick Issue Refund, and you're going to select a reason and give a note, and then enter the amount over here. And I'm fixing to do all that. Alright, so shipping discount, we put combined shipping discount and entered $10 in the refund amount. And it only took me 2 days to figure it out, and I'd like to thank Larry Wymans for answering the question on Garage Flips' page there for me to help me figure it out. So anyway, it's Man Mountain Link over and out.
Go Jim go, go Jim go, go Jim go, go Jim go, go Jim go.
Damn, I'm leaving. Alright.